you're looking for an easy tomato jam recipe in will get after grinding the jelly to paste. Here's our easy tomato jam recipe in the oven with jaggery, lemon rind tomato. The tomato jam without pectin will stay good in the refrigerator for at least 2 months. So do remember to keep it in the fridge. Look at the color. I'm sure you're going to love the color as well as the flavor of this aromatic therapeutic tomato jam with jaggery. I hope you like this recipe. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Take care.